Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Fiat 500, and if you need to find the fuse for the power mirrors, side mirrors on your car, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. Also we'll have a special video why side power mirrors do not work on Fiat 500. It could be multiple reasons, and we'll explain really detailed information in that video. Check it out if you need help with that. But first, I will always check the fuse, and I'll recommend guys, when you remove the fuse, always test it, because you may think it's good but it's actually bad, and there is no need to spend time and money, okay, when all we have to do is test the fuse. So we're going to explain how to do that as well. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So this specifically is a 2015 Fiat 500 guys. This is a Abarth edition, but even if you have another one, practically the same. You will still have the mirror switch on the left side right here. If I come all the way right here now, okay, let me show you now. You can see that's the mirror switch right here. You just switch from left to right, okay, and you can adjust it. But if they don't work guys, if you need to find the fuse for those mirrors, let me show you where it is located. Right under the steering wheels, where the pedals are guys, you need to come right here. You'll see a fuse box located, and if you see that fuse box, if you come to the third fuse on the right side from bottom to top, 1, 2, 3, that 5 fuse, that 5 fuse is the one for the side view mirrors guys, for the power mirror. So that's the fuse that needs to check. It's also known as fuse number 49. Now if you guys need to test it, I'll put a link in the description of the video below how to find out how to test the fuse. Check it out, it will teach you very helpful information. And also if you need to buy replacement fuses for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save a ton of money guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.